Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Indian Tech Tips. The PC has remained the best platform for gaming. There are hundreds and thousands of gaming titles available. When there is such variety, who doesn't like to game? If you intend to game, then there is a particular component you need to know about. The graphics processing unit or the GPU. So in this video, we'll learn what a GPU is and also know which is the best GPU to buy in 2020. So let's begin. The task of rendering basic objects like operating system's desktop environment can be handled by the limited graphics built into the CPU. But some more serious workloads require extra horsepower, which is where a dedicated GPU comes in handy. A GPU is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate and alter memory to accelerate creation of images intended for output to a display device. In simple terms, a GPU takes data from the CPU and turns it into pictures so that it can be displayed on an output device. Just like a motherboard, a GPU houses a processor and RAM known as VRAM, which stores the card's settings. To improve the image quality, the graphics processors use FSAA or full scene anti-aliasing, which smooths the edges of 3D objects, and anisotropic filtering, which enhances the image quality. Nvidia and AMD are the two main players in the graphic card arena in desktop and laptop graphics. Both these companies manufacture budget GPUs as well as cutting edge GPUs. But these cutting edge GPUs come with a hefty price tag. Let us now take a look at the GPUs that provide great performance to their respective prices in each category. The Radeon RX 570 is a budget graphics card by AMD coming with 4GB GDDR5 memory. It has a 256-bit memory interface. The operating frequency of the GPU is 1168 MHz, which can be boosted to 1244 MHz. It comes around 10,000 rupees in the local markets. When paired with a Ryzen 5 2600 or equivalent, it provides up to 80 to 85 FPS in all the modern titles. The Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Super is a powerful mid-tier desktop GPU. The GTX 1660 Super is based on TU116 chip with 6GB GDDR6 memory and a memory bandwidth up to 336GB per second. It costs around 20 to 25,000 in the local market. When paired with any mid-range CPU, the GTX 1660 Super provides stable 100 plus FPS on 1080p and 70 plus FPS on 2K presets respectively. Moving ahead, we have the RX 5700 XT. The Radeon RX 5700 XT stands up better to the RTX 2060 Super, coming at around 35,000 rupees price tag. It is almost 10% faster than the RTX 2060. It has an aggregate 256-bit memory pathway with 8GB of GDDR6 memory operating at 14GB per second. This gives the RX 5700 XT up to 448 GB per second of memory bandwidth. When paired with a mid-range CPU, it provides around 160 plus FPS and 80 plus FPS on 1080p and 2K presets respectively. A notable point is that it is also capable of 4K gaming. When it comes to high-end gaming, the Nvidia RTX 2080 Ti is hands down the fastest graphics card you can buy. If you're looking for the most powerful graphics card, then Nvidia's vision of a ray-traced future, the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, is the best in the market. In fact, Team Green has no counterpart in this category. The 2080 Ti has 11GB GDDR6 VRAM with 14GB per second memory interface. You can get the highest possible frame rates at 1080p, 2K and 4K presets in any modern title. The RTX 2080 Ti comes around at a price tag of 1 lakh rupees. But if you only intend to game, then at a price tag of almost half, the 1080 Ti is a good option. So that's it for the video guys. If you like my work, then please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel and are interested in tech content, then please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you.